I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobViral at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video.
I'll get in if nobody else does.
So is it just sealed?
Like right about here. Alright, Jacob, just because I know you do a full system bio and everything like that, so I'll give you guys everything that's in here so y'all know.
Ready?
Yeah, absolutely.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright, we got 12 SA15s, they're all V1, V2 kind of mix up.
Okay.
All dual fours, nothing big, nothing fancy on 2 TS5Ks.
Yep.
4 runs of power, 4 runs of ground, Singer 370 under the hood, and that's a wrap.
Alright. What type of enclosure would you call this?
It's just an old school sealed clamshell.
Clamshell, okay.
It's so pretty.
So like a fourth order, but clamshell because of the way it doesn't really have a port.
Yeah.
Got it.
So there's no load wall or nothing.
Yes, sir. Wow.
She metered just over a 56.
Okay.
But it wasn't built to meter, she was just built to play. So.
Yes, sir. Okay.
MOs and hair tricks and fun, man.
All right. Yes, sir.
So, see if we can get some shit going on for you. No, dude, you need to come in and get you some.
Well, he's like, you gotta hear this dude named Harry, man. He's like,
Thank you, sir.
Jacob, thank you for your time, man.
Yes, sir.
Videos online.
Yes, sir. And your name?
My name is Harry.
Harry. All right. Thank you, Harry.
Absolutely. Hold on, I just gotta get you out.
hey.
He's got me. He's got me. Thank you, Harry.
Really nice job.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.